Woof, thank you.
اهلا وسهلا على عيني.
شكرا.
تفضلي طيب انت كمان.
You gonna try one as well?
على راسي. صح.
Yeah.
تفضلوا شرفونا.
Ah, and this is your shop, is it?
اللي تعالي نضيفك كاجو.
So where's your brother? Hello, sir. Hello, sir. This is a family business then. How long have these guys been here?
100 years.
100 years.
The whole family.
Really?
Actually, Nizam.
هذا المؤسس.
Oh, let me see. Let me see.
هذا الجد الكبير.
But this is his grandfather.
Father. And Nizam family is famous in this, like.
بالتنك.
So this here we
What are
have
these?
sugar.
Sugar ones.
هاي الإضامة نحن كنا نحمصها ونبعتها
I see.
لبرا.
This and then they put it in the sugar with colors. And it's called dame.
Dame.
And he's saying they are the first people who send it to America.
Oh, really?
Yes.
May I try one?
إضامة
Can I try? May I try one of these?
دوي تفضلي.
A little sugary one.
Yeah.
Love little sugary. Oh, they're nice.
طيبة.
I'd like to buy some nuts actually because I'm quite hungry. So.
ميكس.
Mix.
كاجو المونز بيستاش.
Yeah.
دوقي.
Mix would be perfect.
اوكي صوري هون.
How many millions is that? Sorry.
قد ايه هي؟
هاي 60. استلم خيالك.
60,000.
Wait a minute.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 30. Halfway there. What was it? 2, 4, 6, 8, 40. 2, 4, 6, 8, 60 what?
Yeah,
And what was it? 60.
that's right.
Tell him it's probably wrong,
Yeah.
and that he's definitely going to need to check it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, he's not going to get the right amount of money for his nuts. And look, I've done this.
Yeah.
Look, can you see what I've just done?
You ruined.
I like literally.
It's a design. Look at it. It's a design.
Look what
from
I've
this
done.
side, yeah?
You need to count it, sir.
Okay.
You need to check.
من وراها.
I can't do it.
على عيني. ها. خليها هدية.
All this counting.
على قديش احنا بنعد مصاري؟
ايه بنعد كثير والله. اوه ولا اعطيها متورجيها مصاري خير افضل.
Thanks.
Bye
Nice to
bye.
meet you.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Have a good day.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
That was great. That these are lots of different molds for sweets, and we have a chap in here who is working on a new design. Intricate work. Hi. Look at that. Look, bit by bit. How does he feel about the new year?
كيف شعورك بهيدا السنة الجديدة؟
الحمد لله
Yeah.
متفائل يعني عندي امل ان شاء الله يعني الاوضاع تتحسن ان شاء الله.
Hopefully everything will be better.
Yes. Oh, it's brilliant. Look, this workshop is amazing. He's got some beautiful pieces. We'll leave him in peace. Okay. Hello. Hi. And I'm looking around. I can see lots of like the fruits, the spices. It looks like tea. They've got little places where you can have tea, I think. Drinks. There's spices over here. Hello. How are you? You good? Looks nice. Smells lovely. Really nice.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, look, coffee beans here.
Different kind of.
Yeah, different types of coffee beans in there if you're into your coffee. Like the colours. What's in there? What's that? Is that dried?
Herbs.
Oh, herbs.
Yeah.
Look at the rose petals. Hey, hello. Oh, it looks great. And the dates.
The water.
Welcome to Syria.
Thank you so much. Look at the dates there. Oh, they look good, don't they?
Yeah.
Thank you. Shukran, thank you. Wow. Thank you. Shukran. Try a date. It's like caramel. So good. And this is the spice soup. The spice soup, yeah.
Welcome.
Hello. How are you? Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you. Can I smell?
This for salad.
Can I smell?
These spices, try.
Oh, it smells good.
Yes.
Yeah, can I try a little bit?
Yes.
No, try a bit.
This for salad.
What's nice? What's in that?
Mint, mint, onion,
Yeah.
lemon,
Lemon. And what do you do? Sprinkle it on a salad?
oregano.
With oil?
Yeah.
You put it on with olive oil. Chop your salad and then just sprinkle it on. Lovely.
Yes. This for potato. Fried potato.
For fried potatoes?
Yes,
Just bring it on afterwards. Can I just take a little bit, yeah? Is that okay?
You fry the potatoes
Lovely. You got some good stuff going on. Good little mixes. I should take some little bags. Do some really little ones though. Do they do small? Do you do like small?
Okay.
Yeah. Look at this. It's great. So that's less than $1 basically for those two.
عندنا صفحة نرجع.
YouTube.
والله
10. Okay, cool.
5 donkeys.
5 donkeys.
هيك أعطينا المرة.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you.
And you. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye. That was hilarious. That was hilarious paying him and he saw Assad's face on the note.
Yeah.
And he called him donkey's ass.
Hello.
Hello. Halfway through the souk we have what would have been an old caravanserai. It's got beautiful columns, it's huge big archways, and obviously back in the day it would have been used for the traders on the Silk Road, and they would have stopped with their camels, taken a break, probably sold their wares here. There will be rooms on the second floor that they would have stayed in. And at one point, in the 1950s apparently, this place was quite a smart hotel. And I think Agatha Christie stayed. It's now not used, which is a shame because it is absolutely beautiful. But people do come and they have a nice coffee in a cafe. One thing you'll notice is the lovely designs with the black and white stone. The black stone is basalt and the white stone is limestone. Both originate from Syria in different areas, and it's a very, very famous Damascene style where they obviously brought these two stones together and turned it into quite the creation. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Here are the little rooms that the traders would have spent the night. Look, they're quite simple in size, but perfect for a quick stop. See? I've just come to a place called the Centre of Damascene Art, and I have to say it's like the centre of the most intricate artwork I've ever seen.
Hey.
Oh, hello. Hi. Hi, how are you? The items in here are painted wood. So this is going to be above someone's doorway, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or roof.
Or roof. They're very elaborate. And this particular piece that I'm looking at is a sort of 15 to 20 day job. It's done bit by bit. Look at this. And you can see how it's actually like it's raised up. How much would something like this, what do people pay for something this size, roughly?
هي يعني تقريبا يعني $100.
$100. What does this one up here say?
This one.
Yeah, what's that?
This one is from Quran.
Ah, that's from
Yeah.
the Quran.
Yeah.
And this is popular for Syrian people, so it doesn't matter what faith background.
Exactly.
It's a popular art form.
Damascus is my love.
Damascus is my love. Isn't that lovely?
Yeah.
Can we ask them how business is? Like, how's it going?
ما في والله.
No.
ما في.
No,
It's not good.
not good right now.
يعني كتير صلنا شهرين. الوضع كتير سيء.
So, because this art is, as you can see,
Yes.
very detailed, very
Yes.
hard.
Yes,
work.
yes.
So it's expensive also.
Yeah, so people can't
And
afford it right
Syrian,
now.
Yeah, people can't afford
I understand. But again, I suppose the exporting is hard because it's because of the sanctions.
it. Yes,
I understand.
Yeah.
So they need the economy here to pick up,
exactly.
and then they need the sanctions to be removed so they can export. Thank you very much. Shukran, and good luck. Beautiful. I've come out for dinner now and I've asked for traditional Syrian. I have been recommended a place, so let's see how it goes. Let's hear. Let's see what we've got. Hi, hello. How are you? You look amazing. It's really cool.
Damascus.
Yeah, it's really cool. It's beautiful. I had been invited to Naranj restaurant, which is currently ranked #1 in Damascus by TripAdvisor. And I was meeting Mari, Rami and another British vlogger, David Simpson. This place is beautiful. A lot of the buildings here have this kind of atrium-like feel. You go through the door and then it opens up, and they have all the foliage inside, the green plants. It's very, very pretty. It's very relaxing. And so far, I think Damascus is one beautiful city. Okay, so we've got fattoush. And then we have the hummus with vegetables. And we have
the muhammara.
Muhammara. I knew that.
On top there is tahini and pomegranate molasses.
And
some nuts.
So this is like peppers, basically.
Right.
The hummus is completely different to the hummus at home. It's like smooth and creamy. It's got the garlic, it's got the chickpeas, but it's the taste is like 10 times the taste that we get back at home. I'm gonna try this one. What's this one called again? The pepper one? Muhammara. Is that a big bit? Yeah, David's like going down. Is that right?
Yes.
Oh, that is good. Let's see how you can.
I'm not shy, you see.
You can see how spicy that is. It's a pepper dip, and I reckon it's got a bit of a kick. What do you reckon?
It does have a bit of a
It does have a bit of a kick. Oh, look at that. So we've got some rice. This is interesting. This has meat on it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Lamb.
Lamb. So it's what, minced lamb. And then
Sfiha.
it's like a lamb mince pizza.
Oh my god.
That's good.
Yeah.
I like the way they've done the lamb.
Yeah.
It's been cooked really nice, isn't it? What's it got like? It's like tomato, onion.
Tomato, onion, some spices, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, tomato, onion, spices. Wow. Bulgur, wheat and lamb. Kind of sort of a meatball thing in a creamy sauce. Thank you. Shukran. Let's have a look on the inside. Oh, so yeah, so we've got the lamb mince. Is it what else is in there?
Yeah, it's
Lamb and anything else? It's like something green. Wow. And that creamy sauce. It's not cooked with wine, is it? Yogurt. The sauce is yogurt based. It's actually quite a strong flavour. It's very nice. It's almost like a dumpling. It tastes like a dumpling, actually, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. A bit like mantu in Afghanistan. There's the sort of steel cutting the cake. I don't think she wanted to cut it up. I think she just wanted it all herself, to be honest, and I would too. How would you decide how many portions? Rami, you look satisfied. You're happy.
So much.
Yeah.
Satisfied. Satisfied belly.
Yeah, very satisfied. Oh, it's great. It's a very good choice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Naranj.
well done.
Naranj is always a very good place.
Something orange?
Bitter orange.
Bitter orange, yeah.
Yeah.
In Spanish, it's naranja. So
Naranja, yeah.
Yes,
Bitter
naranja.
orange is a very essential component in every Damascene house.
Ah,
In
really?
every Damascene house, you'll find this tree.
Yes.
Bitter orange, they make jam out of their skin.
Ah, nice. Very nice. Yeah, it was a great choice. Look what has just arrived to finish. I mean, that's so beautifully presented, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ah, so that's like the orange, the bitter orange. Okay, so maybe can I take that one then? Try that. Wow. Chocolate going in. Is it like a chocolate brownie at home? Let's see. the pressure is on.
Very, very good.
You can really taste the bitter orange in the middle.
Bitter, yeah, exactly, yeah.
It really is bitter orange. So this is how much the food is. It actually works out as about $16 each. for the most incredible meal. If you're in Damascus and you fancy a taste of the Syrian home, Naranj is the restaurant.
I hope you got to see a different side of Syria today than perhaps what you've seen on the news. And whilst I do have some very difficult stories coming, I also wanted to try and balance them with some of the everyday life going on right now. I hope you enjoyed it.